So I'm recording now. Oh, that other recording, I'm gonna send it to you, by the way. I recorded it, but
No problem.
I didn't put it on YouTube, so I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna do that after this. So
Yeah.
as usual, you know, I go to monthly time frame. That's where I start marking my chart from. I use the pivots to show me the pivot high and low. I have the SMA 50, which is this line that runs across. I use that to predict like the moving average, which direction does it seem to be moving. So with all that being said, let's start marking up AUDCAD. So from the first thing we see with AUDCAD is this. This is the beginning of AUDCAD, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see be by AUDCAD O Wabi from here. From here, then let me take this magnet off. Let's make
Okay.
it from here to here, from here down here, from here up here, down here, Owabi by Adewambi by Inse. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
So I have a question.
Go ahead.
If you see the AUD card up there, it says Oanda. What is the difference between using Oanda and FXCM?
They're all just different skinning. They're all just different what's it called? Brokers. So they have different what more explain from the other time, not me. They have different margins, they have different entry. So Euro and saying only 0.94478 ni ó wà lọ́dọ̀ làwọn ti pè, but kí ó jẹ́ lórí FX kìíní kí yẹn jẹ́ 0.94479 or 77 or you know, so that little variation. So ìwọ ló máa mọ̀ pé okay, ibi tèmi ti ń get information mi bí ti tàwọn ṣe rí lélẹ̀, margin ti tiwọn dá, margin ti tiwọn is usually probably 0.001 difference or almost the same or the same most of the time, you know. So ìwọ ló dẹ̀ máa mọ̀ ètò fẹ́. But I just use this.
Okay.
And like I said, these pairs that I trade, the difference in margin could really import for me to care so much yet.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. So do you see all these movements? Do you get it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. So now that we've seen that, let's bring out our Fibonacci. Right. I've already seen this whole movement. My Fibonacci from here, Owalen, break, so I'm not going to try to do this down movement. I'm just going to go from down here to up here. So from this swing low to swing high.
Just like the whole time
Exactly. I'm taking off this my arrow. I can find a zone there, but I will find a zone from the right corresponding to it, not from there. So from this swing low to swing high right here, we expect a pullback, right? We expect a pullback. Where do you expect a pullback to? Excuse me.
Either of those golden ratios.
Right. So we'll first expect a reaction at 0.382. If it doesn't get to 0.382, we would expect that it will pull back a carry and then come to 0.618. But if it pulls back to around half, even if it doesn't get to 0.618, we can assume that the trend might want to continue. So let me pull back this magnet, this weak magnet, so we can start to get accurate pinpoint.
What does the magnet do?
It will pinpoint it to the ibito yakowa kò ní jẹ́ mi ní máa kí n ṣe guess or come around the opposite. Ṣorí bẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ 71690. Ṣorí pé pivot low mi 71690.
Okay.
So ó match ó gum on that lowest point automatically. but tí mi bá lo magnet ibi tí ọwọ́ mi bá gbé sí náà ló gbé sí. That's why I tell you sometimes it takes me a little bit because only lọ máa match ẹ̀ mọ́ wrong kì í ṣe orílẹ̀ náà 7838 ní points yẹn. And so I just use that so I can be able to get my accurate golden ratio. I don't want to play with my golden ratio. So I'm very mark the exact thing. So now, for that swing low to swing high, we expect a pullback to 0.618. Let me put my golden zone there. 8485 Kenyan 85499. The points here. Good. Ibemo expect to pay or your key Kiniko pull back there. Now let's see where it eventually pull back to. Oh, wale by, right? So let me take this off. So oh, wale by. This is over time, over a long period of time, and this thing refused to not this thing made sure that by all means it still obeyed Fibonacci. This is from what? This is from January 2012 till now. So now let's see. From here, Kilani Poyakoshe. Sunday.
Pull back.
Pull back. Where is it pulling back to?
I can see your arrow. Oh, yeah.
Where is it pulling back to?
Golden ratio 0.618.
All right, so we're expecting it to pull back to this place. So it came down here. Could they break 382? Wait, break 382 here. What did I say? Where I expect that somehow it should still come back to this place because it has broken. It almost touched this half, but
yeah.
So boom, we'll pull back. Okay, cool. Came down here and then finally got to this high. And then boom, 0.618. So at 0.618 now, what do we expect?
It broke. It actually tested that place, but couldn't break it.
Which place is that?
The last 0.618. The golden ratio to the right side.
Golden ratio to the right side. Here, right?
Like present moment, yeah.
So pull back, boom, there's 0.618. Dip, para, okay. So now that has happened, okay, the next move is this. Which was that? What does that mean? What does that mean? Maybe by to break it.
It has to go up.
So it's going up. So we already know that it's going up. So ideally, it should be a trend continuation. It should give us something like this. Ideally, we could rebuy. Pull back one golden ratio, right? Can you see my arrow?
Yes, sir.
Pull back one golden ratio. That's golden ratio. We expect continuation. Come and love my. Abi? But Kolobai is such a long distance. We can't our color market like I always say. So we can't predict that much. So now Olobai, are you seeing this thing I'm marking? I'm
yes,
trying
sir.
to pull back. They have 0.618. Now, láti 0.618 ibo ni àwa fẹ́ mú target títí wa dé. Bring out your Fibonacci. Àti mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kó ṣe continuation o. Àti mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kó ṣe continuation lọ báyìí ni. Ṣó mọ̀?
Yeah.
Okay. But this move doesn't exist yet. We're trying to now see how far we want to take it. Oh, what's okay, we'll pull back. Where are we going to try to take our own first profit?
Probably around the 0.382.
So we can first profit. Okay, but because we know this is meant to be a bull, we go continue bullish run. And if you buy TP1 to buy any two for them, but at least go pull back.
Okay.
tó bá pull back wá bí báyìí a máa fa line síbí somewhere here. Tí o bá ti wá break ibi o, tó o bá ti wá break line mi yìí o, lẹ́yìn tá a ti jẹ́ wá sókè yìí o, because it might from this point now come back down.
Probably.
Right? Because that's a golden ratio.
Yeah, that's
However, if it wants to be a continuation like we predicted on this first point, up, down, boom, continuation. My will then show any full continuation on a continuation, but a parí síbẹ̀. A parí síbẹ̀. So, ká ní pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn, right? Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀? Ó ti wá sókè báyìí, ó ti wá bí báyìí, àti jẹ́ dé bí báyìí. Now, it can, however, be a continuation of this downward trend. This kó má fẹ́ break even, kó fẹ́ padà wálẹ̀ from here. Or, indeed, kó jẹ́ pé move wáyé ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. So, where do you buy from? Above this place.
okay. But we can also get some gain from around the 0 to 0.618, right?
From here?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Because it has, look at it, it has pulled back because what happened is this. Because what happened is this. Price went from down here, up here, right? Did a 0.618 retracement, right? We had the we had our support here. We had our support there. Sorry.
Yeah.
So from here, of course, you want to buy. Of course, from this point, from here.
Right.
You want to buy. So when you buy from here and you buy upwards, you're buying to a 0.618 of this swing low.
Okay.
So from this point here, is where we now want to see, okay, kilo fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Oh, yeah, all right. So from here and saying kilo fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, is it going to continue? Oh, so if it breaks this purple and makes it a support, then we're looking to continue this. These are bullish skinny that we traced. So boom. Or if it doesn't break it, we'll come back to this support, see if it will break this support. If it doesn't break this support, we run from there.
Back up.
Exactly. Or we sell back down as a continuation of this downtrend, as a continuation of this, from here to here to here. So we'll be selling to somewhere here. And that's how all those patterns that you see, all those gatly, all those crab, all those butterfly, all those. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
This is how they are formed. This is what they are that I've just explained to you.
They just have like different names for everything.
Exactly. So it depends now on where you're coming from, how you're getting in. So let's get back to this monthly. I just wanted to quickly explain that. Did you understand a little
Yes,
bit?
sir.
All right.
Yes,
bro.
sir.
So let's go. Fibonacci, boom. We say this is gonna be our support right here. But let me check quickly on this my gold, bro.
Okay.
Okay, it's still looking good. It's still looking good. I think gold is going to be a delicious one. So let's golden ratio right here. I mean, bro, these rules, right? As long as you follow these things consistently, of course, you have days where you're gonna miss it outrightly, but you have days where your victory will be way more than what
The
you
loss.
what you've lost. Exactly. That's if you stay consistent. That's if you use consistent lot sizes. Okay, so this is the pullback for which one? From here to here, and it came back here. So it broke our golden ratio, but of course you can see the reaction there. Boom, padalos. Okay. So now, what is the next thing? What is the next thing we want to do?
You want to predict.
Hmm?
You want to get the place. It's gonna keep going.
So now from here, price is here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the next thing we want to do?
I think we're going to get the fee.
Price is going like this. Price came down like this. Is going like this. So what are we trying to do now on this chart?
Probably buy.
Firstly, bring out Fibonacci. Before you buy or sell, you want to know where it's going. You want to try have a good view of what's going on in the market. Where are my zones? We're still marking it up. We've not made a decision what to do. We're marking it
Okay.
up. I just want to know what the next step of your marking will be. So we've come from up here. Ibi by
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
our less ibi by, right? Àti wá
Yes, sir.
wá sókè débí. À ń wò pé ibo ló máa lọ. So bring your Fibonacci. Boom. Boom. Want to see how far this thing might go. Let's draw your golden ratio.
It's probably going to get to the golden ratio.
So that's our target, right?
Yeah, because it broke the first one.
So what's it break it by? Very bullish. So I will wait. It's gonna come here. But for us, whether we're buying or we're selling, we have to wait. We don't just get in. Then so that's 7997466. Okay, good. So that's where our target is. Okay, well, this thing most likely Ocean loss. Okay. Ocean loss. Okay, Ocean by, and there's reaction around Google Bear. So good.
Mm-hmm.
We've marked that. So next thing we want to do is let's get some trend lines. Okay, let's get some trend
Okay.
lines to make us see if we pull out a trend line from this low, pivot low. We'll mark it across the last low that we see here.
Okay.
Okay, so one trend line drawn there.
It's actually respected the trend line.
Yeah, I put another trend line here. This trend line I'm putting here. It shouldn't be, but it's more like a support. I'm just trying to, because this is a monthly time frame. But wele tí mo ṣe yóò kàn wá. Kílè tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó máa pẹ́ even tó bá yẹ kó máa
Mm-hmm.
ṣẹlẹ̀. But I'm just doing it because, and then draw another trend line from the last low to the last low. Are you seeing how I'm drawing my trend line?
Yeah.
So you draw your trend line. Draw another trend line here. So then from this right here. So want to draw a trend line. So from looking at it, at least here, I'm expecting that AUDCAD is buying to this golden ratio at the very least. So I have a trade. I'm hoping that I do. at the end of marking this thing, that we get a good buy. So let's go to weekly. We're now on a weekly.
Okay.
We might see slightly different view, but from weekly you can see this trend line has been broken. This trend line, there was reaction around there. There was reaction around there. You can see there's reaction around there. This trend line, there's reaction around there, reaction around there. This trend line, reaction around there. So all we've marked right now, we can see all the reactions going on. But look at my SMA on a weekly chart. My SMA 50 is bullish. Is saying Rakini, but boy, hello Rakini. But wait, let's see. This is weekly. So the analysis we got from the monthly and the weekly because I really can't see so much of a difference in this thing. Let's try find areas of interest where we can begin to look for profit, for where we want to set our own profit. Okay. So from here, we already see that it's a buy. We already see that we're trying to buy towards this golden ratio, this 97756. Well, we want to mark it. We want to see it. So now, from the very latest swing low, from this swing high, this point,
Yeah.
So then mo arrow mi tí mo fi máa ń ṣe kíní ìwà fún láti bí báyìí ní very ibi tí ó last sí tó ti swing bọ̀.
Yeah, the highest high.
Oh, this magnet, man. So débi láti bí báyìí ó dé ibi báyìí because it broke here. Ó dé ibi báyìí. Àbí?
Yeah.
Láti bí báyìí ló ti wá síbí. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, but our golden ratio that we drew here, this golden ratio 977,466, is the golden ratio of this entire movement from the highest point to the lowest, to this lowest. Okay. However, we have another that could be a resistance. Láti point eléyìí. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Láti point eléyìí, the point yìí, it has its own golden ratio right there.
Yes, and it has almost hit that point.
It has almost hit that point. So from that point is where we now want to watch for a reaction and buy towards the next one.
Oh.
Because it might get to that point and go padà wálẹ̀.
Yeah. It's still going to go up, but that's a long time. In the present one, you're just trying to catch the movement.
Because you don't want to sleep in this now. You don't even know. Even only dollars and kiko kan lọ ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa drastic in Canada or in Australia, kí all affects currency on so badly. So all these things we don't know. So from this point up, you will know that you find a support. You will know that okay, it makes sense for me láti lè buy in sin. So láti point yìí tó bá break ilé, I'm a buy wá bí buy. And only weekly Latin wo yìí.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is this. If it doesn't break this point,
when you say it's going to keep come down,
I come down, what's it become? Somewhere around there, but
the white line over there, the trend line.
Okay, so we'll see now. We'll see now. So let's let's take this off. All right, good. Let me take this off. Eléyìí la fẹ́ analyze nsìn láti bí báyìí ibo ló fẹ́ dé, ibo ló ti fẹ́ stop, kí la fẹ́ ṣe next. Wind yìí apá yìí àbí? Ibo ló fẹ́ lọ. Good. So now, my trend line, I connect my trend line from here. Wá síbí báyìí, Or to break here, very bullish already. I don't have any business with that. I already know, not for Contele Mukon. The moment. So very bullish already. All of these are new business pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
Yeah.
So now let's go to daily. So on the daily, we might be able to see now. All right, good. So all we're looking at now is this Akpai.
Okay.
So our trade will look something like this. From this point, we'll be saying, okay, only if our test golden ratio yìí tí ó bá break ibi báyìí.
Okay.
Tí ó bá break ibi, a lè fẹ́ padà test ibi báyìí. But bye o, àwa ò need àti wọ inú kíní yìí until tí ó bá break ibi báyìí ká lọ síbí, or tí ó bá break ibi báyìí, we'll sell towards here and then we'll follow down towards this area here.
Okay.
Then this is a daily perspective. So another thing we want to do now is, since we already got that view, we already know where we're trying to get on this. Another thing we want to do is just bring your trend line. Let's see from here. So on my trend line too, at Ripoti Chrome by, I'll just be waiting. If it breaks here, we'll be definitely looking to buy towards this place.
Okay.
But until then, we don't, and that's going by the daily
chart.
4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours might give us a better distance now. Maybe we'll be able to find a support. Now let's see. Okay, good. So on a 4-hour chart, I want to draw my trend line from the lowest low.
Okay.
It's from the most recent low to okay. So got that. Get this. So these are where it must break before we think it will come down.
All right.
Otherwise, we are not even looking towards it for down. These are where it must break before we say you're coming down or anything. So the Russian respect trend line law. That's how powerful these things could be. Okay.
Good. You play in 1 minute.
Yeah, bro. I'm watching every minute of. So yeah, maybe by Montera now. Montera now. I bought it from where we said once it breaks out, then try that to work to Montera. More gbogbo tó fi débi báyìí, gbogbo eléyìí. I was part of all these movements.
Oh.
I was
Yeah,
part of.
That is actually a very big game, though.
Yes, now I moved from here maybe by Motikuro. Ṣorí ibi tí arrow mi wà náà, orí ibi tí red kìíní yìí.
Yeah.
Ibi tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rà nìyẹn. Mo dẹ̀ ní kí n tẹ̀ ọkọ̀ rà débi báyìí náà. Kò wá débẹ̀ tán, ó débi báyìí, ó wá padà wálẹ̀. tó bá fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ padà ń sìn tó bá ti fọ́ ibi báyìí once it breaks this place again, it has broken it. Or test the official resistance. Sure. So now what I want to mark is this, because I'm following it up. What I want to mark is this. Pay how far low, I fell low. Let me put it right here. 78285. It's only for this 78285. So if I want to enter a buy again, I'll be waiting for it to get here, and I'll provide a good entry for buy. That looks okay. But I don't want to watch this. So let's go. Now, we're expecting that what happens. This is our trend line from here. Now, from one more trend line that I want to draw, and we're on the 4 hours. Here, Wasibi by so nothing looks like a if it comes back, if it comes back and touches any of these trend lines and doesn't break it, then we'll buy. If it breaks any of it, we'll sell towards the next one. And then we'll buy back up. But this is looking very bullish. It has already respected this place. It has tested it back. It looks like it's on a good buy.
Okay.
So let me check another thing from this swing low here to here. This is 9254, 9274. Okay, cool. Break it by.
No.
So if it fails here, this is one place I might want to get to. So AUDCAD, I would wait. AUDCAD, I would wait. 29. Yeah, AUDCAD, I will wait and see. I would either buy from above here, or wait to see if this place won't be broken, and wait to see this trend to be broken and sell.
And the market is even closed. It's even closed right now.
The market is closed.
Oh, wait.
The market shouldn't.
But it has 2 hours. It has like 2 hours something from on that side. Like on the side.
2 hours what?
2 hours. This is how you know if the market is open or closed.
No, the market is open now. I'm trying to show you what time Kini Tower. Sure, the New York session are closing 2 hours 49 minutes. New York session are in with there right now. London session ti parí, Tokyo session, Sydney. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ṣe ń parí, a máa bọ́ sínú Sydney. Àwọn AUD pairs yẹn, àwọn JPY pairs yẹn, àwọn GBP pairs yẹn, àwọn USD pairs. So market ń jẹun ló ń tiẹ̀. Ṣeré gold, ó débì báyìí. Ó tó wá test ẹ̀ padà. So we wanted to okay, I wanted to check something. So if it breaks there, then now the next place I want to check is this 9711. This is on 4 hours. I'm trying to find the targets. I'm trying to find. So let's see if I'll swing. As I'll swing, will be by or break it with my head down. So I can't use that. So let me use this swing from here to here. All right. So that one made a good. Now let me put it in 1 hour. I'm trying to find a target now.
Yeah.
I'm using Fibonacci. So from here, OWASI almost 0.618. Then where do we then expect to be our next target? To here, to here. We're looking to firstly buy. We'll expect Puma Pari David by, you know. Think on Moshe.
What's it called? Wait, let me check it.
Moshe continuation. This from low here to up here to pull back wabi by from down here to up here to pull back wabi by. So Moshe continuation day okay. So that will be our resistance. So T be about 4, and we'll know that we'll go up here a little bit more. T be about 4, then we'll know we'll go up there a little bit more. So for now, this is our trade right here. I'm gonna put another zone here. But this is I think it will break it. I think it will break the resistance. So good. So I could draw. Let wait and see. You can use your FIBS again here. It broke there, so auto should be by Ibonico continue there. Use your extension to see where it's gonna extend to. ODB, or pull back or be. Yeah, go extend it somewhere here. So I should buy. We're still kind of like in a buy. But you don't really, this is 9447, 9480. Really you can wait before you get in a buy above this purple zone.
Okay.
And then we'll buy from it, buy to this place. Or better still, if you have enough patience, wait about 60 pips for it to break above here. When it breaks above here, you have a good buying opportunity to here and to here. Good?
Yeah. Like before when I was doing trading, it was actually kind of confusing. So
do you have a better understanding now?
Yeah.
Jeez, I will go. Amaburuku ni Godisha. Amaburuku ni Godisha. My video about to go to. I've been from here. This bullish run, I chop them. Then this pullback, I bought in fresh one from this pullback here. So now I'm hoping that we're about to see what I'm seeing on gold. So are you still there?
Oh, sorry, my mic was muted. I was actually talking.
Oh, okay. Hey, oh.
I thought so. You were like yesterday. I was like, I'm still talking now. So I just checked it now that I was on mute.
Oh, so you see the gold prediction we did yesterday, no?
Yeah.
Yesterday, Lajon sorry, I'll be low reading, you know.
It was actually yesterday.
So
So you closed it when it got to the 7, 8,
Close
7.
add more position, yeah.
Oh,
One sure now. More add more position, you know. So what did today because him I add more position. I just want to see how far it might want to go. Because reason why I didn't close it is this. I have let me put it in 1 hour so you see where I think my target might be. If it breaks here, I'm gonna buy it a little bit more, David buy. Then basically 1 hour. Fingers crossed. So target mission be buy. That's why I didn't buy because it didn't quite get there. That's why I didn't close the trade. Oshi David buy. But just looking at what it is going papa, I think I have another target up here. And so listen, I'll be watching it closely now.
you have a lot.
So I might close it. I might close it above here. I might close some above here.
Okay.
Tó bá ti débi báyìí mo kàn lè ti àwọn kankan bọ̀ mo máa ṣọṣá depending on the impulse tó bá fi débẹ̀ depending on the impulse tó bá fi débẹ̀ tó bá débẹ̀ pẹ̀lú irú impulse báyìí irú ilé ìṣòrí green candle yìí
Yeah.
máa filẹ̀ ni o tàbí ó débẹ̀ pẹ̀lú irú impulse báyìí mo máa filẹ̀ ni but dá padà sí 1 minute wa mẹ́ 1 minute yẹn ni. One minute ni mo fi ń ṣọ́ kínní yẹn. So yeah, bro. Any question, man? Do you understand forex a bit better?
Yeah. I actually understand it more than I used to.
So is there any? Are we done? Do you have any question? Do you want to mark another chat real quick?
How can I add the SMA 50 to my trading view? I have it on MT4, but I don't like the average moving average. I have it on MT4, but I don't know how to put it on the trading view.
Okay. Let's see FX here.
Okay.
Then the simple moving averages. Wari stocks inbox.
Second. Yeah, stocks. Okay.
Only so my point settings let me look. Where did it be now? So it's ready? Huh?
Yeah.
So tick only one SMA.
Okay. 1 second.
Change color, see green and red beats that on me here. But when you talk with you call mat tick on.
Okay.
Then change it to green and red back. Let me know when you're done.
Almost. Yeah, done.
This SMA1, BC50. This also remain close.
Okay.
What's it?
Yeah.
That's it. So the basic favorite to Buffett. You do not to make your favorite.
No.
Click on that Kinepada. Click on this FX Kinepada.
Okay.
Search for that simple moving averages again. And then while click you can start real what Lori.
Okay, yeah. Seen it.
All right, bro. Go do I'm gonna come on. So what chart do you were gonna ask me a question, or is there any other pair you want us to mark together?
You see. Okay, so I follow some guys on WhatsApp. Like they trade. I don't know what they probably indexes. What do you think about indexes? Like, should I like check that out?
Yeah. You can. The main thing is firstly to get the understanding, to grasp the concept of the whole trading, to know how to manage your risk, to reward your losses and all those things. When you get all those ones, you cut over the to one little trade. But fún gbogbo àwọn ìyẹn, you need more money because they are more expensive.
Yeah.
So
I know. Like he took like a 0.10 and it was like a big game share.
exactly. So
Like that.
and when they lose too, that is how Toshen Jeno account or no. So it's but the whole principle no she follow around it's about to feel more exactly and based on your risk appetite as well. And based on your risk appetite.
You know what you said when we were making a trade? You said the same. I should keep using the same pip size I'm using, right?
Yeah.
Like not to change pip size. The first time I opened the regular account, I was changing pip size, so it was really bad.
Yes, now you won't be consistent. That's
Yeah.
your gains. That means that there will be times where you will lose, and because you've used an irregular pip size, loss Emma affect gan. Ìgbà tó bá win tó yẹ kó jẹun gidi kó cover fún loss. Kò ní cover fún because lot size tó lọ kò tún make sense.
Yeah.
So yeah. This EJ, I got in a buy.
Euro GPY.
It closed me out. I got in a buy. I also
got in a buy. I closed it this yesterday night before I slept at $84.
So from here I got in a buy, right? Somewhere here I got in a buy, and then it went up. Okay. Then if you stop loss, me see be buy. Oh, they break it. So this one took me out.
So and you should have closed it yesterday.
I should have closed it exactly. I could have closed it here and taken my good money and good. But yeah. Like I closed off most solo.
When I was looking at it yesterday, it was like inconsistent. So I was just like, I cannot leave this one and sleep. I just closed it.
This GA, I got in a buy for this one too. And you could really share that. I think I got in a buy around here or around here. Killing it. No, I got in a buy around here. So okay, we are called Lola to be by.
It was a false break.
False break. Piano ṣe báyìí ọmọ ó dé láti bí báyìí I entered again pé okay máa buy padà lọ sí bí báyìí put my stop loss somewhere here ó break ẹ̀ dànù ó wá dé bí báyìí. Ó lẹ́rìí wá jẹ́ pé báyìí yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni.
Probably.
Then NZD, I'm already back in negative pẹ̀lú yẹn. So
let me check.
I'm gonna leave that. I've reduced my lot size.
Yeah, I'm also in negative right now for NZD. Like I sold, so
you sold and sell it, and it's probably not gonna end up only mark as positive because on a 5 minutes, this oti wabi by oti confirm it as a resistance tele. Oti fe mark will break it by more, so make it by a sort of support. So from here now, look to bear to have 4 trend line. So at least
Maybe I've just closed it right now. I have like $30 lost here.
it's easier to then war between of his stop plus missing. Of his stop plus missing 7-4. Maybe by the stop loss, meanwhile my stop loss is around there. So I'm still kind of looking at it, but with a very reduced lot size. Gold, of course, gold is golden.
How do you do the thing that, like, that's all your trade on the side? Like, I can't find that thing. I just like type the stuff
Really?
inside. Yeah, all those stuff.
Um, how do you do it? I can't even. Let me demo creative well. Then we'll know. On the side, what do you see? You don't see any of this?
My own is not coming out like that.
You mean
Like the way yours is out.
lot 10 biba? 10 biba. Tekini. Bits to the show you.
Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, I pressed the thing you said to press.
So,
yeah. But my own is not showing like those red flags
minimum
stuff.
frequency because those are the ones I marked today. I can change.
Oh.
You know, I pay for trading view.
Oh, okay.
I pay for trading view. I pay for it.
I've not reached that level yet.
I pay for trading view. I mean, you got to your feet, Joe.
And I think you should check out what's it called? SPX 500.
I'm gonna trade SP 500. Do you mean right now?
Yeah, like I did this before, right before the call.
Wait. Let's see. Yes, SP 500. Let me call.
I'll show you what I did, Sha. Like for the SPX 500.
Send them.
Wait, let me see.
Fairly.
Like I'm waiting for it to either break the resistance or support before doing anything. But it is close to breaking one, either of both.
SPX. So you said what you were buying?
No, I'm not in buy right now. I'm just waiting for it to like break. It is XPX 500 USD, not regular SPX. The 500 USD. Just on the left side. On the upper left side. No, go to the left side to where you take the trend lines and everything from.
On my screen right now.
Yeah.
Left side.
Go to the top side, XAUUSD. Yeah, just tap on it. Like click on it and type in SPX 500 USD. Yeah, that one.
Same killing price one call very tintin.
Oh.
0.001. I think okay. Kíni wọ̀ mí lójú ṣùgbọ́n tí mo ṣe wà lórí gold tí mo dẹ̀ ṣe tún fẹ́ wọ ohun iṣẹ́ yẹn pé èèyàn fẹ́ greedy ni.
I will send you the link now.
Then we'll know. So trend line. Let's see. Good. Fibonacci. Yes, baby. Golden ratio supports.
I just sent it to you right now.
Okay. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you wanted to pull back a bit and then you buy above the purple this thing. All right, let's see. Let's see real quick. So Mutimu by on a weekly. I have that as my pretty cool. Even real quickly by this particular swing high to swing low. I have a golden ratio here at 2932.6. Okay. And what else can we see? So to Fibonacci support, what's in Lonia? Develop a day. Let's see. To know if bottom are there, let's pick. So if we take the continuation from here, to David by to pull back David by continuation equal Paris 488. But oh my god, after I could bullish run you a bad gone. But who knows? So delete. Let's see. Let's go to daily charts. We already know where we are. So on a daily chart, we can bring some other trend line.
You can also draw the resistance from the upper one too.
When you shift per trend line. This one I'm doing right.
Yeah. That was what I was talking about.
So our trend line LA by that will be a resistance we're waiting to be broken. File by that will be our great support. Mwele by if that support gets broken, that will be the second support. We already know this is a buy. We're waiting for this trend line to be broken, and then we go up until then. We wait. This is on a daily. This is on a daily. We'll drop up like it's only 488 or something like that.
I don't think he was drawn. He probably got cancelled or something.
Where I'm clear Chrome.
Yeah.
All right. Ashimali, we'll still be able to find this out. So that's what we're waiting for on the daily. Let's go to 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, let's see what's going on. We have a nice support here. We have a nice support right there.
if it doesn't break that one support and keeps going up to break the second one, I think that would be a very good buy point.
Yep. Yep. And so ideally, this already might be providing us a buy opportunity, but we want a breakout. We want it to break out so that we know that most likely it's not coming back to that level.
Yeah.
So another support, another trend line. So when you came in, if pay so much attention because I don't think he'll break it. All right. So good. If it does break it, then that means pay little follow near, which is not our interest right now. Okay. So where are we going next is the question. Now, let me use this from here to here. We'll break it. Okay, this 0.786. So let me bring my continuation. So
And it could actually be a continuation of the bullish run it has been doing as well.
yep. That's what we're predicting. But because that's a long journey, right?
Yeah.
Àwa ò lè ẹni tó fẹ́ trade ìwọ tó fẹ́ sáré wọnú trade kó jáde. Oh, that would be too much kinny for you. So one of our targets now would be, this is on the 4 hours. One of our targets can be right here. Can have a really quick first target there, which would also equivalent to this high point in Nibibai. And the reason why that is because of this my FIBS retracements. This
Yeah.
extension,
Okay.
from here to here to here. We might continue our Paris Viva. Then you're cool before. So another let me do it. This one I want to take out. I want to take this out. So another point where we might be looking towards is this. So if it breaks there, then 2, 3, 5, 3. So I think we have a decent. Then we conifer work there yet. My vehicle break line and I came to one. Yes, baby. What? You want something? All right. So then, basically, 1 hour car walk.
Okay.
So in 1 hour, we can see that break about it test to be better. So it's looking very.
They've actually been trying to test it for a long time.
Exactly. So good as it break. So it touched. It's about far line ni pada lo báyìí, but láti bá láti far line ni, right? So it touched it here, touched it here, touched it a third time, pulled back a little, and then broke it this time. Then another test that we see. 1 second, please. Another test that in Ibibai being a support. If this place is a support now, then I think it's safe to say we can buy this to 3229.
Yeah.
But so
it has like high spread, so it's like
exactly, and the spread is not chicken. So exactly. But I mean, if one wants to get in it and you feel confident, you can you can get in it around and have a stop loss above below this point to me by so
The only reason why I'm waiting is because it has been going up, like around that 316.0, the last resistance over there. Like it has been going up, and I don't want to like go into the rush into the trade, just come down like that.
you don't want it to come down from where?
Like it has been running up from that last side, the little last side.
From here.
Yeah.
So now if but to break it by most likely kini in loss okay. This is a very buy at least buy to this place, buy to 3 3 2 2. I just don't know if I want to risk. Let me put it in 1 minute and see. In 15 minutes first and see. Yeah, got on should go though. Okay.
Gold has broken the stuff.
Well, this place.
Yeah.
What's the break already? Yes. Now where have you been? It's a break already. Maybe by totally David by totally to part it break the previous points maybe by that would be a good achievement for gold. But let me go back to this. So 15 minutes ele. Um hmm. Well, if I want to buy this, I'll put my stop loss just under this place. I'll put my stop loss around there. But I think this, and I'll wait for my SMA 50 to really show green for me, my buy. Otherwise, it might have a potential of wanting to come only for David by. So
The SMA 50 is actually showing green.
it's showing green.
Yeah, mine is showing green over here.
It's green here too now, 3170. Oh, yours is showing green.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Then let me
Like
see.
around the last part,
What time frame are you on?
1 hour.
That's why. I'm on 15 minutes. So yours is already showing buy on 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I say ready me buy, but on lower time frame, you have a more entry because can you want so lower
Mm-hmm.
time frame yeah low ma better for for me to know that okay tó bá ti fọ́ ibi by then àṣemọ́ tó bá ti turn green nísìnyí then momentum yẹn ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Because I'm trying to find the lowest point. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to assume that a place will be the lowest point. So only the small time frame
Show that.
can show me that very very accurately. So now I can see that ìgbà tó kúrò tó break gbogbo bíbá yìí. This is the lowest it has been recently. It's very close to the lowest it has been. If it's not going to break this lowest again, if I set my stop loss here,
Mm-hmm.
I know that easily tí o bá ní break ẹ̀ mọ́ gbogbo movement tí kìíní bá máa make in sin profit.
True.
Now, let's say I quickly pull my FIBS. Now I put it here. I say this thing won't break this place again. Pé gbogbo báyìí tí mo wá ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Because ó ti dé 0.618 mi yìí. Right? So if I place my stop loss, if I place my stop loss just under here,
Okay.
around there. Any movement this thing makes from here now, if it doesn't come down anymore, it's gonna be in profit. Well, let's see. I think gbogbo area ibi tó wà yìí might be good for a buy. I think if anybody fẹ́ wọ buy nsìn can get in for a buy.
Right.
Adec or set stop loss.
I will actually try it on my demo account.
But a risky shit ni. I kò set stop loss kékeré báyìí. There we go. So when come down again from here, then buy up or wait.
I'm actually just knowing today that lower time frame is for checking what's it called, like knowing when to enter the trade.
Yes, no entry. When you mark up your chart, go to the lower time frame for entry. So I'll buy this if it escapes here and back me by. But until then, Kajama Wura running. But what is sumo a good stop kini? So mo le fi stop loss maybe by debt and but let's see. And then we'll buy for good. I need there. So yeah, bro, that's how I mark my chart. So I better now.
Yeah, we actually did a lot today.
So let me stop recording from here. Let me rest a bit and then I'll catch you later, bro.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for today.
You're welcome.
Bye. I mean, keep an eye on now.
All right.